Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 1, Day 3. So we are going to be talking about the sounds we hear. So they use markers, these are markers, and then they put the marker in for each sound. So if I have the word sad, there would be s, a, d, 3 markers. So we don't have markers with us right this second, so we're going to do it with our fingers. So I will say a word and we'll make the sounds together. At, a, t, 2 sounds. An, a, n, 2 sounds. Map, a, p, 3 sounds. Okay, now I'll do one and then I'm going to give you 3 seconds to do one. Sat, s, a, t, 3 sounds. Your turn. Fan. 3, 2, 1. 3 sounds. F, a, n. Tap. T, a, p. Mat. 3 sounds. M, a, t. Man. M, a, n. 3 sounds. Last of all, nap. N, a, p. 3 sounds. Okay, friends, we're blending today with the short A sound, which is a. So we can't blend with p yet. Now we can blend. Pan, pan. Put it together. Pan. K, cap. Word, cap. T, can't blend yet. Now start at the beginning and blend. Tan. Blend. Tan. B, can't blend yet. Now blend. Bat. Word, bat. Okay, so once again, these are our sounds we've been working on. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. T. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. N. 3, 2, 1. P. 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 2, 1. M. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. X. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. F. 3, 2, 1. O. 3, 2, 1. M. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. G. 3, 2, 1. N. 3, 2, 1. B. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. K. Those were a lot of sounds. Okay, let's make this together. Blend. Cat. Word, can. Let me go down here. At. Word, at. Okay, we know this is going to be a name because it's in uppercase. At. Word, Nat. Nat can be short for Natalie or Nathan. Okay, here we go. At. Word, sat. Oh, here's a capital. That means it will be a name. Word, Sam. Here's another name. P, can't blend yet. Now blend. Pam. Word, Pam. Can't blend yet. Has. Word, has. Remember, it makes the z sound. Ran. Word, ran. D, can't blend yet. Dad. Word, dad. Mad. Word, mad. Can't blend yet. Ham. Word, ham. Hat. Word, hat. Okay, I'll go. We'll read these together. Can't blend yet. Pat. So we would say the word, but we need an S. Pats. Word, pats. He pats. She pats. Okay. Can't blend yet. Taps. Word, taps. B. Can't blend yet. Bat. Word, bats. So we're adding an S to the end of these words. B, ag, s, bags. Okay. Ants, fans. Can't blend yet. Wags, wags. Abs, jabs. Ams, jams. Nap, naps, naps, like he naps. Tags, tags. Okay, let's let you do this one. Blend. Word, sags. Can't blend yet. Let's let you do another one. Blend, blend. Word, packs. Okay, let's do some more together. What's the word? Man. Word, man. Okay, let's let you do this one. Can't blend yet. Now blend both of those. Blend, word, cab. Let's let you do this one. Keep your voice on. Blend, word, van. Okay, so we are going to read this is either a sentence or a name or both. So let's our capital letter today is J, and let's blend it. Jan. Jan is the name of a girl. Jan packs. Jan packs a bag. Okay, do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Do we have good handwriting? Yes. Do we have spelling? Yes. Do we have an end mark? Yes. And what is my end mark? A period. Now friends, the reason why this works is because it tells us who we're talking about, the subject or noun, and it tells us what they're doing, the action or the verb. So Jan is my noun. That's a girl. And what is she doing? She's packing. She packs bag. And bag is a noun too. That's what she's packing. Okay, let's blend this. Max is not sad. Okay, do we have a capital? Yes, and it's a capital M. Finger space? Yes. And good handwriting? Yes. Good spelling? Yes. End mark? Yes. My end mark is period. And then do we have our subject, who we're talking about? Yep, Max. And what is Max doing? Or he is, that's my verb, is, and what is he? He's not sad. Okay, friends. So, okay, listen to these words. Pack, packs. Do you hear the difference? Pack, packs. Think in your head. Okay, if you heard that S at the end, you are right. S is used at the end of an action word when it follows a naming word that names people or things. So pack becomes packs, talk becomes talks, walk becomes walks. Okay, high frequency words. This word is does. Read the word with me. Does. Does is spelled D-O-E-S. Spell it with me. D-O-E-S. Let's write it in the air. D-O-E-S. This says Max does his homework. This is the word not. Say it with me. Not. The word not is spelled N-O-T. Spell it with me. N-O-T. Let's write the word not in the air. N-O-T. The sentence says, do not run at school. This is the word school. Say the word with me. School. The word school is spelled S-C-H-O-O-L. Spell the word with me. S-C-H-O-O-L. Let's write the word in the air. S-C-H-O-O-L. Let's read the sentence. We read a lot at school. Okay, last sight word for right now. This is the word what. read the word what with me. What. What is spelled W-H-A-T. Spell the word with me. W-H-A-T. Let's write what in the air. W-H-A-T. The sentence says, what can we play today? It's a question. Okay, this is our sentence for today. I mean our decodable reader. That means it's a story we can read together. Okay, this says, Pam can! And that's an exclamation mark. I'm excited. Okay, let's read. Pam sat at school. Your turn. Okay, here we go. Dan does not tap a map. See, this is Don. He's not tapping the mat. Pam is. Okay, your turn. Okay, here we go. Pam and Dan can pat. They're patting the clay, or Play-Doh. Here we go, your turn. Okay, here we go. What can Pam pack? So here's her bag. What did she pack? Okay, your turn. Very nice job. Okay, friends, we are going to fix 2 sentences. We're thinking of our 5-star handwriting. Now, because this is written on a computer, we know that it has good handwriting because a computer always has good handwriting. So we're going to be looking for our other stars. Let's start with a capital. This says, Matt ran to the school. So everyone put your finger under the capital. Think in your head, is that a capital letter? 3, 2, 1. No, we have to make it a capital M. Matt, and it's a name. It's the start of a sentence and it's a name, so it needs a capital. Matt ran to the school. Okay, so we have our capital. Do we have finger space? Yes, we do. Do we have good handwriting? Yes. Spelling is good. Do we have our end mark? We do. Okay, so that's our 5-star sentence. Let's listen to the second sentence. My school bag is fat. Okay, so first we start with our capital. Let's look at that. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Is that a capital letter? Yes or no? 3, 2, 1. No, it's not. So we're going to put a capital M. Do we have school bag is fat? Now we have our capital. Do we have our finger space? Yes, we do. Do we have our good handwriting? Yes, because it's a computer. Do we have good spelling? Yes. Do we have our end mark? Yes. And what is our end mark today? A period. So we always start with a capital. Always, always. And we always end with a punctuation mark or end mark. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me.